Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will start our work on the devil fruits within our One Piece game series, okay? And I'm already in Blender, as you guys can see, because we are now going to create our first devil fruit model. And our first devil fruit is going to be the Gomu Gomu no Mi, guys, okay? So we are now going to create our own devil fruit model, and I have made a video about it in now I have to think about it. In 2020, I think, around October, November, September, so around that time. And the link is in the description. That video shows you how to create devil fruit models. Okay, so with swirls, which actually look like engravings, so that kind of stuff. And the important or most important thing for that is that you will need one certain image. Okay, and that image is also linked down on that other video's description. Okay, so you have to check that video out. Okay, that being said, let's get into the video. So what you have to do is that you have to create a UV sphere. Okay, now size this thing a little bit more up and create as much cuts as you can. So I'm gonna subdivide this. Yeah, okay, as you can see, it has been subdivided. Okay, now, okay, now go to the modifiers tab and select the displace tool or displace modifier. Come on, where is it? Displace. Now, go to new texture. So you're going to add a new texture, and then go ahead and go down to this textures tab. And now you have to open a certain texture, okay, or a certain image, let's say. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video at that point. So you have to open up the swirl image I have left as a link on that other video's description, okay? And that video I'm talking about is in this video's description, okay? So go ahead and check that out. So if you have done everything correctly, then you will see this, okay? So that's the swirl image I was talking about. And now can just go ahead and lower the strength. Wait. So even this is too much. Wait. Yeah, so this is actually fine. So the only disadvantage we have with this method is that, as you can see at the middle, it looks pretty awful. So those words are like stretched, and that's actually a problem. Not even sure what this mid-level does. Let's see. Okay, let's apply it and let's add another modifier. Well, not the edge split one, but let's add a wait. What about this one? Subdivision surface. I think my PC is going to crash. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna be back when my PC was able to handle it. Okay, so never mind that subdivision surface thing. It is pretty unnecessary and just, yeah, it messes with your PC, so leave it. Let me shade this smooth, let me see what happens. Okay, nothing is happening. Let me apply this edge split modifier, does it do anything? Okay, it doesn't really do anything, so what we should consider doing, considering the amount of triangles we have, so 900,000, so considering that, we should actually decimate this whole thing till we have a, yeah, just low poly mesh right here. So means we have to go below 10,000 triangles, and this can be pretty difficult, guys. So let's see how this will work out. So just start off by adding a very low number, and even this is pretty close to 10,000. So we have to go further. Okay. Yeah, interesting. My Blender is like not responding. Okay. So this is fine, but it is not. So we are below the amount of triangles, but the mesh looks awful, guys. It really looks awful, but let's try and fix this up by adding some modifiers into it. So this edge split modifier should help us at that point. Okay. Now, let's add a... Where is it? An icosphere. Okay. Connect it to this mesh, and now we are going to build the stem pretty quickly, and then I'm going to end the video actually. So this video is just going to be about building the Gomu Gomu no Mi model, and in the next episode we will script the model. So we will of course first of all import it to Studio, and then we will script the model. Okay, so that's going to be the topic for the next video, guys. Okay. So that's the first part of the stem. Now let's continue the other part. Okay, so this is a little bit too long, in my opinion. Let's move this one like this. Okay. Let's maybe move it like this. Okay. Connect those two. Shade smooth. Add this add split modifier if we want to. We could even add this subdivision surface to make this thing more round. Let me remove the add split modifier in the meantime. So now the stem just looks more clean. Apply this add split modifier, and there we go, guys. So this is our Gomu Gomu model. As I've told you, the pattern in the middle is very, very messed up, but I sadly have no fix for that, and I prefer having engravings rather than having no engravings, and there might be some other methods to create those engravings, but, well, I don't know. Okay, so let's quickly export this, okay? So you guys know what to do. So we export single by single, means we remove one object till we only have one other object left, and then we go to File, Export OBJ, and then we export this thing, okay? And we will repeat the same step for the stem as well, guys, okay? So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Take care and see you in the next episode.